Using 21st century mapping tools, you can empower yourself in the field with more data than ever before. You can find new places, you can find new trails, you can go into places you've never been before, knowing where everything there is. Your navigation is outdated. We're going to show you how to fix that. The real value of CalTopo is that it allows you to choose custom map layers and then combine them. We're going to show you how to do that. This is Highlight Reservoir and their surrounding area. We're going to go up there today and film, and I'm going to create a map so we can film there. So let's go through here. This is a standard US Forest Service map. Not a whole lot of data here. Would not want to have to rely on this in the field. Let's look at this 7.5 foot topo map. Wow, that is crowded. That is a fussy map. I can kind of see the mountains. I can kind of figure that out, but that does not show me trails. That does not show me a whole lot of good stuff. Aerial topo hybrid. Again, too fussy for me. Hybrid satellite. That's pretty good. Probably do better. Slope angle shading. There's avalanche risk. If you're going on a ski trip, that'd be really useful. The really dark colored stuff is where you're going to get hurt. Let's not go there. But let's look at Map Builder Topo. Yeah, that's an ideal map for this area. We can see roads, we can see hiking trails, we can see good topo data. But again, I think we can do a little better. So let's add some layers. Stack new layer. Let's see what we got here. So we're already Map Builder Topo. Let's add a shaded relief map. Okay. Change the opacity here. And we can find a way, this shows you the mountains in really cool sort of 3D imaging. And with changing the opacity, we can create a map that still shows us that topo data and still shows us those trails with a better view of the mountains. And you can see how empowering this is already. We can really see that, this goes up a wash. This trail goes west of that peak. This looks like a nice flat hike right here. This is pretty cool. We can really continue to stack this data. What more do we want? Want to see better contours? It doesn't really help me. Slope angle shading. Again, not worried about avalanches today. Land management. That'd be useful if we were hunting. Historic fire data. Want to find animals, want to find mushrooms. That's really useful. We could overlay current temperatures. It's going to be cold in the peaks. It's just really cool stuff. But let's stick with what we have here. Now we're going to film today right here. And just in case my cameraman Nate gets lost, as he's prone to do, we can add a little marker there. And that's where we're going to film. We'll label that film location. Let's change that to a custom marker. Let's see. We'll make a little house so Nate knows that's where his home. Make that house orange. Film location. There you go. Now in the field, once we export this to Nate's phone, he is going to be able to pull that up with a blue dot, find its exact location, and if he has wandered off over here somewhere, he'll be able to wander back to where we're filming. Okay, so we need to take this map that we've created on our desktop where it's nice and easy to create, and we need to get it onto our phone where we can use it in the field. And we need to do that in a way that brings all this location data to the phone in addition to the custom map. So to do that, we're going to do print to PDF. We're going to choose the area. I'm going to center the film location. Yep, 8.5 by 11, geospatial PDF, that's got the data. We're going to do generate PDF. And so we're going to take that PDF, we're going to email it to ourselves so it can pull up on our phone. We're going to download that PDF to our phone here at home while we still have Wi-Fi. We're going to make sure it loads in Avenza Maps, and then we're ready to go in the field. So here we are on the phone. We have downloaded the geospatial PDF, so it is available offline on our phone. We're going to open up Avenza Maps. It's nothing fancy, it works. This is so simple, you're going to kick yourself for not knowing this before. Open with Avenza Maps. Okay, there it is. That is available on our phone. Make sure it's all here, and then we're going to take this into the field and show you how to use it out there. Now here I am in the mountains, way far away from cell signal, taking my dogs for a hike, and I can pull out my phone, open Avenza Maps, and this little blue dot shows me my exact location on my customized map with all of my data. As we move around, as we walk, as we hike, as we do anything else, we'll be able to find our exact location on that map by just looking at the blue dot. Even if you are experienced outdoors, good at navigation, you don't get lost, creating these maps for your friends on your next backpacking trip or your next backcountry ski trip, whatever it is you enjoy doing, will better enable them to feel more confident and better enable you not to have to worry about them. So do this for your friends. Just do what I do. I do like the entire steps I just showed you. I put maps that I make on my friends' phones. I make sure they know how to access them, and then I don't have to worry about my friends.